Hello everybody and welcome to the Magical McDs channel. I know I posted a video a while ago from the Dominican Republic for our stay at the Hyatt Zilara, Hyatt Ziva, Cana, and said it was going to be our last post for our Dominican Republic content. I lied, as I'm wont to do sometimes. I completely forgot that I never posted our POV walkthrough of the lazy river at the water park there, which is what you're watching here. So I wanted to throw it up. Kind of a lazy post today. No Disney content today. We are working on a post for maybe Tuesday of this week, and then today we're off to Hollywood Studios. We'll be filming that. So Disney content is on the way. But I did want to get this up, and this will, I swear, this will complete the Dominican Republic content. I had never seen a full walkthrough POV of the lazy river, so I thought it would be useful to have. I'm reminded how blue the water is and how beautiful the landscaping there was. Really enjoyed this lazy river. The other thing about it was like there's nobody in it. Nobody uses this water park. We really had it to ourselves, so lots of privacy and very relaxing. It really put the L in lazy. I am going to organize all of our Dominican Republic content on our channel we'll create a section for the DR trip, so it'll be easier to access if you're thinking about going to this beautiful country or this beautiful resort. It'll all be in one place for you, so please go there and check it out as a resource. And if you have any questions about the Dominican Republic, or more specifically the resort, the Hyatt resort there, please let us know in the comments. We're really happy to answer based on our experience and let you know what our thoughts are. I would encourage you to solicit opinions from a lot of people if you're going to this resort. A lot of people that stay there, because you're going to find opinions across the spectrum. You kind of have to just sort through the weeds, I'm sorry to say, but we had a great time. We have certainly had some complaints. Those are in the comments elsewhere. But one of the complaints we didn't have was about this lazy river. Loved it. Loved the water park. Loved the privacy. So I'm going to stop talking now so you can enjoy the rest of this little 5-minute clip. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks, guys.